Hey guys, it's Maggie. I just want to put it out there. I haven't been playing Roblox for a long time, so it's kind of sad. Well, adopt me. So, I thought I got my login streak, every day, but apparently not because this turned into this. So, apparently I lost track of time or something, but when we reach 60 subscribers, that's when I will start trying to get up to 200 days. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna make a neon ox. So, this one is a preteen at the moment. I've been leveling it up. But yeah, I don't really know what to say except that I got a choo-choo train out of a present or a box or whatever, a gift. Yeah. So when I reach 60 subscribers, I will be giving that choo-choo train away to my 60th subscriber. So yeah. Let's see what else. Lunar New Year's out. The Valentine's update will be coming out soon. That's what I heard from a lot of my friends in Stella and stuff. So yeah. I don't really know what to say anymore. So this video was weird. I don't know why it was weird, but it was. So okay, see you guys later. Peace.